Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Happy Wednesday. Happy day 3 of our 6 days. Healing sounds for mental and emotional balance. Today you can sit, we're not doing any leg movements. So you can sit cross-legged or kneeling. Yesterday we did some leg movements, but today we're just doing arm movements. Today we're working with the liver. And that's the wood element. And as we work with the liver's sound, it transforms anger into kindness. And again, we're working with this book, Craniosacral Qigong, Mantak, Chia, and Joyce, Thom. So we begin by getting comfortable, establishing our seat. Elongating the spine. Relaxing the shoulders down. And letting the arms and hands be soft and relaxed. We settle into this body, we feel it. We breathe deeper into it. Day 1, we worked with the lungs. Yesterday, the kidneys. So you can feel some expansion and contraction, some puffing up, and some relaxing. Areas of the body we can really feel maybe a rise and fall, a filling and emptying. And you just notice how you feel. We're going to take our hands onto our kidney, onto our liver, and that's on the right side of your rib cage. So if you go just under the right side of your rib cage, but really it can start from the xiphoid process and it comes over. It's mostly on the right, but it's really kind of starts center and over. So it's not just way over here on the right. If you think about right below the sternum and then over, just below the rib cage line. So it's sitting underneath the diaphragm. And we'll rest our hands on our liver. Eyes are closed. And we smile. Breathing into the liver, smiling into the liver. We make that intimate connection. As you look down into the liver, smile down into the liver. We're going to look left and right, right? We're scanning the liver, left and right, 21 times. And we're looking for any anger, any irritation, frustration, resentment. That's what we're looking for as we look left and right. And you'll take your time. But after you've done 21 times, left or right, left and right in the liver, we're going to inhale and extend our hands, our arms out to the sides with the palms up. And we're going to keep raising the hands upward until we can clasp them over the head, interlacing the fingers. We're going to lean slightly to the left and look up. And the sound here is shh. And we feel the wood vibration detoxifying our livers, detoxifying the emotional body of anger, irritation, frustration, resentment, or jealousy. When we're ready, we're going to inhale, come back up. Scoop green light and pour it down through the crown, down through the body. Green light of the wood element. Right into the liver. And we can place our hands back on the liver and radiate green light. We're transforming any anger into kindness. Continue to feel the sound of shh in your liver. Smile and see your liver glowing, glowing with the green light of the wood element. And we want to sense how easily you can make good decisions and carry them out. So easy to make good decisions and carry them out. We'll do this again. Smiling into the liver, making that connection. Looking down into the liver and scanning it left and right 21 times. Looking for the anger, any negative programming due from anger. And after 21 times, looking into the liver, we release the hands out to the sides, inhaling, palms up, all the way over the head. And then you interlace the fingers. Stretching up, lean to the left, looking up towards the right. And when you're ready for your exhale, the sound of shh. Feeling the wood vibration, detoxifying your liver, detoxifying your emotional body of anger, irritation, frustration, resentment, or jealousy. When you're ready, you can inhale neutral, and we're going to scoop up green light, pour it down. Right into the liver. Hands on the liver and feel the liver glowing. Sense it with green light. We're transforming any anger into kindness. Sensing the vibration of the sound. Shh. Smiling into the liver. And see your liver glowing with a deep green light. The green of the wood element. Sense how easily you can make good decisions and carry them out. And we'll do this a third time. Smiling into the liver, connecting to it. Looking down into the liver as you smile. And looking left and right, scanning the liver for any anger. "21 times, left and right. When you feel complete, 21 times, left and right. You'll inhale, arms sweep to the side, palms up. All the way up, you interlace the fingers, lean to the left, look up to the right, exhaling. Feeling the wood vibration, detoxifying your liver and your emotional body of anger, irritation, frustration, resentment, and jealousy. When you're ready, inhale neutral and reach up, scoop up, get the green light and pour it down through the crown, all the way down slowly into the liver. And hands on the liver. Feel the liver pulsating with green light. Radiating, glowing with deep green light of the wood element. Sensing the vibration of smiling into the liver. Knowing that you're transforming your anger into kindness. Sense that you easily make good decisions and carry them out. I'll do this one more time. Smiling, connecting to the liver. And this time we look up into the left and right hemispheres of the brain. 21 times, looking left and right. When you feel complete, you'll inhale, scoop your arms up to the sides, palms up, all the way overhead, interlace the fingers, lean to the left, look up, and exhale the sound. Feeling the wood vibration, Detoxify your liver. Detoxifying your emotional body. Anger, irritation, frustration, resentment, or jealousy. Ready to come back through neutral. Inhale, reach up, scoop up, get that green light, scoop it up and pour it down. When you get to the liver, right below the liver, just below, attached to it, you can just do little tiny rubs for the gallbladder. Just little tiny. The gallbladder is the pair of the liver. It's the yang organ for elimination, for processing and letting go, right? So move it just little with a shh, maybe. Feeling that vibration of the wood element. Smiling liver and gallbladder. Green light. Turning the anger into kindness. Sensing the ease in which you make good decisions and carry them out. When you're ready, we'll just sit with all of that. Arms down by our sides or in our laps. Just open to receive all the benefits of working with the liver. Here at the end, feel free to stay seated or lie down. And we're ending every session this week with this beautiful passage. There's great emotional movement happening in the depths of humanity. Notice your own emotions and be compassionate to the emotions others are expressing. This is a time of cleansing and a time of healing. Let it arise, let it be. Let it arise, let it be. I thank you all for being here. Thank you so much. A wonderful day filled with kindness. I wish for you. Our reality today filled with kindness. Feeling it, emitting it, green light of kindness. Have fun making those good decisions so easily and carrying them out. Namaste.